there are many ideas of the Baal Shem Tov. I know that maybe you're not familiar yet with the Baal Shem Tov. I'm a big master of Hassidut in the 1800s. So the major ideas of Tanya, of the Baal Shem Tov, is how all the details of this world are nothing else but a manifestation of God's light. And the other side of the coin is that there is nothing outside of Hashem. Okay? Now maybe this is a very high concept. I'm not trying to develop everything in 5 minutes. but this point, okay, I'm going to try to say it this way, where the infinite... Yeah?
Non, plus même.
Ouais.
On a jusqu'à encore 20 minutes.
Ok.
Un quart d'heure.
Parce que vous devez prendre le...
Non, jusqu'à 10 heures. On n'a pas besoin de 4 heures pour arriver là-bas.
Okay? Okay. So, at this point where the infinite meets the finite, what does it mean? It means...
Le finite, c'est quoi?
Oh, the finite is le fini.
L'infini, ok, l'infini.
C'est l'infini divin, en fait, le fini du Beth Amikdash, pas du Kodesh Kodesh.
Right, exact. So what happens? It happens that the two major expressions of godliness meet together. It's like a man and a woman. When they meet together, something of unexpected can happen. Okay? It's like two sides of the same coin, right? We're two sides of the same neshama. Okay? But something of infinite can happen between the encounter. Okay, so when in this place in the Kodesh HaKodeshim where the infinite meets the finite means when the essence of Hashem comes into this physical world. Right? Because it is impossible if I try to put something that wouldn't be. C'était impossible, ouais? Si je essaie de mettre quelque chose d'infini dans quelque chose de fini. Okay? It's logically, it doesn't work. Okay? It doesn't work. The other way around, for sure it works. But infinite in the finite, it doesn't work. It doesn't belong to the world of logic of cause and effect. We're used to think about life as a logic of cause and effect, right? Après la journée vient la nuit. J'ai faim, je mange, j'ai plus faim. Je bois, j'ai soif, j'ai plus soif. Okay? We're used to think in a logic of cause and effect. Okay? Until here, we are in a logic of cause and effect. Here in the Kodesh HaKodeshim, we're beyond logic of cause and effect. Why? Because here, the finite can go in the finite. The infinite can go into the finite. Okay? What does this mean? That the infinite can go into the finite. It means when both get together. Okay, you maybe know this. You remember? Vous vous rappelez que l'Aron HaKodesh, ouais, le Kodesh HaKodeshim, il avait 20 coudées. Ok, je me rappelle plus exactement. Mais la mesure c'était 20 coudées. Ok, tu connais l'histoire. Ok, il had, let's say, 20 coudées. Et le Kodesh HaKodeshim, il avait 20 coudées aussi. Okay? And when they measured it, it had 20, and the Kodesh HaKodeshim also had 20. And so physically it's not possible. So the arch is there and it's not there at the same time. It's there, but this doesn't occupy a place. It doesn't take space. So how can it be? So it can be when the infinite meets the finite, when we bring godliness into our lives, right? When we get to the stage of the Amidah, and we bring godliness to our life, we bring that state of consciousness of our true identity, of what we truly are, and we are nothing but an emanation of godliness. We are not a separate body from Hashem. when we get to this point, we know that we are an emanation of godliness. And when we get to that point, here we can draw such a huge amount of energy to accomplish things in life that goes beyond all the energy that we can get to this world or to this world or to this world. To this world we can get infinite amounts of energy, which can give us life expectancy beyond our wildest dreams, beyond our imagination. We'll speak about that when we speak about Triat Amitim, and we'll speak about Yetziat Mitzrayim and coming out of the ultimate limits of this world, right? Going out of the limits of the body, right? We go beyond disease and beyond death. Okay, so here we can actually bring down an energy to accomplish things in life. And that's what a Jew has when he gets to a state of living in times of Mashiach. Okay? Living in times of Mashiach is to have this knowledge, to get to this state of consciousness that he can go actually spiritually to the Kadosh HaKadoshim. Ultimately, when every Jew will be able to do that path inside of himself during the tefillah, at tefillah of the world, and he will il va remettre tous les morceaux cassés ensemble et qui va devenir un propre réceptacle pour la divinité. Ok? Tefillah, c'est le mot de Tofel qui essaie de coller les morceaux pour qu'on devienne une parfaite récipient pour la divinité. À ce moment-là, all the Jews will be able to get to that state of consciousness that they will know that a Bet HaMikdash, now it's time to build a Bet HaMikdash. Okay? So, Mashiach will come and he will. This is the first thing that he's going to do. He's going to build the Bet HaMikdash. Okay, and now we know how to get to that point during the tefillah. So everyone can have access to the Bet HaMikdash inside of himself. Okay, then we can go eventually physically to Brit Mashiach with the physical Bet HaMikdash. Okay, so this is mainly what I wanted to discuss about the Bet HaMikdash. And then next class we'll discuss more into details about how to get to these different powers, because this energy that I told you that you can have access here, now that you can have access to it, now we have to learn how to canalize it. Comment canaliser cette énergie-là. Et c'est pour ça que le cours prochain, on va utiliser le modèle des sphirotes, okay, qu'on ne va pas détailler ici. Je vais juste faire un petit schéma. Okay. Okay. And then here we're going to discuss how this energy that we carry here in the Kadosh HaKadoshim will be now canalized to this world through the different vessels, okay? Comme des canaux qui permettent de passer de ramener cette énergie-là vers le monde matériel. Et comme how some energy you can concentrate it and make it like a laser, you can cut diamonds with it, okay? Like the Rebbe used to say, every Jew is a diamond. So sometimes a diamond, it has la poussière et du calcaire comme ça, and you have to mamish cut it and polir until it shines, and that light will come out from inside of himself. Okay, so the Sfirot will be for next class.